There are going to be times when you want to force the calculation of mass properties in your Creo models, and there's several ways to do this. I've got this currently set up to just report the model volume. So if we change this, you'll notice that I'm kind of doing the on-the-fly regeneration that Creo does. So the results that are here, it's going to write this value out here as we make this run. So when I run this, you can see that the volume is currently being calculated to whatever value is there. So if you really want to be absolutely sure about this, and this is something that sometimes occurs if you have like post-relation activities occurring or something like this, or post-regeneration activities occurring, you may want to uh, force the calculation of mass properties. So in this case, I'm going to set a parameter in the active model that I know is here, and it's height. And we'll set this to, let's say, 6. So currently it's at 10 for this particular model. We're going to set that to 6. And then we're just going to use the force mass properties uh, call here on the active model. You can force this to occur across wildcards or just the active model if you want to. So you can do matches across parts or assemblies very easily. In this case, I'm just showing the fact that this works. So we also need a regeneration after this call is made here. So let's do a regenerate. After that change is made, we'll force the mass property calculations, and then we're just going to report that data back. So you can see here that it has changed from larger number to a smaller number. So that's basically how the function works. It's really a subjective thing as to when you use it, but just know that it's here and that it can work with an active model or a specific model name, or even use wildcards within your active assembly.